Hello friends, now we will see linear inequation solution graphically. We will draw the graph and show the solution, shade the solution there. Do you know what an inequation represent? If I say 2x plus 3y is greater than 6, what does this represent? This represent a region, a area in graph. But if I say, what does this represent? It is a straight line. This will represent a line only. But this will represent an area, a region. So, now we will solve two linear equations graphically. That means we will try to find the common region. Suppose I am taking one equation, this, another equation I am writing. Suppose this is 3x plus 4y is greater than 12, like this. So, how to draw the graph? Firstly, what we will write? The corresponding equation of this linear inequation is this. So, we need to draw the graph of that. So, firstly, we will concentrate how to draw the graph of a line. Here you just see, this can be drawn very easily if we just put x equal to 0 here, y will come out to be 2. Suppose this is 2 on y-axis. If we put y is equal to 0, then x will come out to be 3. Suppose this is 3. Very simple. What to do? Again you just see, once you put x equal to 0, get the value of y, mark it on the y-axis. Again you put y equal to 0, get the value of x, mark it on the x-axis. You got 2 points. By joining the 2 points, you will get the straight line. You will get straight line, not this inequation. We will see how to write this inequation. Now, another thing you see, just greater or less sign is there, not equal to, you need to draw the dotted line, not the solid line. If it is greater than equal to 0, it will be a solid line. So, only greater or only less you need to draw a dotted line like this. I am drawing here. This is the line. Now, for second line, I need to write the corresponding equation as 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Same method you follow. When you put x is equal to 0, what is y? Y is coming out to be 3. You mark it here somewhere. If it is 3, just draw on the graph paper, you will draw it easily. Now you put y is equal to 0, the value of x is coming out to be 4. So 4 somewhat here. Again it is just greater, okay, not with equal to sign. So again dotted line. So now you are conversant how to draw a line on a graph. That is very simple. Now we will see the inequation portion. What we will follow this, I am just giving you a technique. You just take origin. Origin means 0, 0, as reference point. And line has two sides, either downward side or upward. This is line number 1. This is line number 2. Either downward or upward. That means, you just understand, that is very important thing. Either we have to shade the region which is containing origin or the region which is not containing origin. So, two regions are there, containing origin, not containing origin. So, we will decide which region we have to shade, whether the region containing origin or not containing origin. That can be decided by just putting the coordinate of origin in the inequation. Suppose I put here the coordinate of origin, that is 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0 plus 3 into 0, 0. 0 is greater than 6. Is it correct or wrong? Tell me. This is definitely wrong. That means we don't have to shade the region which is containing origin. So we have to go for the region which is not containing origin. So how to decide? If it is false, Go for the region not containing origin. Not containing origin. If it is true, then we have to go for the region which is containing origin. So this will be the region, just mark like this. If this line, this is upward. Is it? Because the downward region is containing origin and upward region is not containing origin with respect to line 1. We are not concentrating on line 2. Right now on line 1. Now go for line number 2. Here the same process we will follow. We put the coordinate of origin. This is 0 plus 0. That is 0 is greater than 12. Is it true or false? This is false again. So we have to shade the region which is not containing origin. Two regions are here and there. So this region. Now can you tell me which is the common region? The region which is satisfying both the conditions. This will be the common region. You see here. This region is satisfying both the conditions. It is upward of line 1 and it is upward of line 2. Like this you have to shade the common region in the given inequations. One more example I am taking. If the line is 2x minus 3y is less than equal to 6, x plus y is greater than equal to 6, x is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0. What does this mean? This is very simple. Wherever you see x is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0, that means they are talking about first quadrant. That means you have to shade the region in first quadrant only. Now just process I am starting. The corresponding equation will be 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. And here the corresponding equation will be x plus y is equal to 6. Now firstly we need to draw the graph of the two lines. What will be the lines? Dotted or the solid lines? Here equal to sign is here. So we have to go for the solid lines. So now you see here what process we follow. Once you put x equal to 0, y is coming out to be minus 2. So you mark here. Now you put y is equal to 0, x is coming out to be 3. Is it? 3 here. And now draw the line. This is line number 1. Do you want to shade the region for line 1? Go for that. Just see this inequation. If we put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, why I am putting? I said you always compare with respect to origin. Either to the origin side, that means upward, or non-origin side, downward. True means origin side, false means opposite to the origin side. If I put 0, 0, this is 0 is less than equal to 6. Is it true or false? It is true. So true, that means which area we need to shade? The area which is containing origin, that is upward. So just like this arrow, just put an arrow. That means you can identify the area. This is upward area. Now go for second equation. The line is like this. You put x is equal to 0, y is 6. Y is equal to 0, x is 6. Now draw the line. This is line number 2. Shade the inequation portion. This is inequation. Again with respect to origin, either origin side or non-origin side. You put x is 0, y is 0. This is 0 is greater than equal to 6. Is it true or false? This is false. Why 0 is not greater than 6? So which region we need to shade? The region which is not containing origin. This region is containing origin, so this region is not containing origin, like this. Now we need to shade the region which is satisfying both the conditions. So region will be this. Will this be? Not here. We won't go here. We won't go here. Why? Because it is mentioned that x and y should be greater than 0. That means it is in the first quadrant. Same way you shade the region. This is the graphical solution of two inequations. Very easily you are understanding. Sometimes I have seen student just stuck if it is given x is greater than equal to 2. What will be the graph? Very simple. At x equal to 2, you just draw a line parallel to y-axis. This is x equal to 2. Suppose y is less than equal to 4. What you need to draw the graph of that line? At y you take 4 parallel to x-axis this way. And for that, if you need to shade, how to shade? Again origin means 0, 0. You put x is equal to 0. So 0 is greater than equal to 2. True or false? This is false. That means region which is not containing origin. So with respect to this line, this area is containing origin. This area won't contain origin. So this area. If you need to write this inequation, shade this inequation, see. You put again origins coordinate 0, 0. So for y you are writing 0, 0 is less than equal to 4. What is that? This is true. So the region which is containing origin, what will be the region? Origin containing origin like this. So this way you shade the region, find the common region, and graphical solution of inequations will become very, very easy. Hope you are understanding. For the time being, okay, and bye bye.